first way, but I kept that shit 100 since the first day. I deserve it all. Yeah, we paid. But not really paid, but you get it.
Okay, so what's goody? What's your poppin' with ya? Don't mind me. I'm trying to get everything set up, trying to fix the mannequin head and make her look on point, as always. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And turn on the notification button because I will be posting every week 2 videos at least. So that's just on period. Yeah, so just enjoy. So first I'm starting off the part in the front part, which I'm doing is 2 braids in the front with curls in the back. I know you've seen it in the freaking title, but yeah, I'm gonna just explain it anyway, as I always do. So I'm parting the front part. I'm doing like a design, but it's gonna be slanted and like 2 braids braided into that braid on one side, and the other side will be like a longer braid, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm just doing my parts and separating everything right now. But when I do something else, I explain it, period. So if I didn't explain this, but I'm doing the first braid, which is the regular kind, and the other side will be 2 braids into that one, if that makes sense. If it don't, just keep watching and you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, I had changed my mind. I'm only doing 2 braids. I'm not doing 2 braids into one anymore. But if you want to see that, it's another video coming tomorrow. So yeah, just wait and see how I do that. Okay, so after I'm finished these 2 braids in the front, I'm actually connecting it to the back so it won't be noticeable and the curls can just drop over it and it won't be hanging like it is now. But yeah. Okay, after I finish the 2 braids, I'm actually gonna start doing the curls. I'm actually doing under curls, so comment down below if y'all want to see me do the curls that go up like a freaking upside down rainbow. But yeah, I'm actually practicing on how to do curls even more. Like, I know how to do them, but sometimes it don't come out right, so I just keep practicing. Don't mind my face, what I'm about to do, because I be getting scared because I don't want the hair to burn. But sometimes I be like, nah, don't be too scared, girl. You gotta get it over with. But it came out cute. You like it? Comment down below if you like it now. Okay, so I wanted to explain how I did the curls. I actually combed the hair first. I went and curled it from the top and went straight down like a flat iron. Then I went from the bottom and curled it toward the neck of the mannequin head. So throughout the video I'm going to explain it again, but I'm just trying to show y'all how I do it. My way or the highway. Just kidding. Okay, also after, like, when you taking the curl down, you can tap the handle to loosen it up a bit so you won't mess up the curls, because sometimes it mess ups like that when you don't take it down correctly. Just showing you how my under curls look. This is just a little view. Comment down below if I'm doing good so far. Let me know. Okay, I'm gonna explain how I do it one more time. I part my parts out, comb it out, then I curl it underneath towards the neck, let it sit, let it go, tap the little curling handle and let it go like that. So I don't really have anything to explain, but comment down below how your day was and how you feeling. Okay, this is the end of the video. I'm finished the hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to turn on that notification button and subscribe down below. And don't forget, I will be posting every week at least 2 videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below cute curls if I did so, or some tips I can do. It don't matter. Comment down anything and I will respond. Period.